Hi, I'm Gopi Vaka, a leader in supplier quality and supply chain excellence. With over 30 years of experience in aerospace and manufacturing, I drive operational excellence by transforming supplier performance, ensuring compliance, and delivering measurable results. My expertise lies in supplier quality assurance, strategic sourcing, and end-to-end supply chain optimization. I specialize in first article inspection, process validation, and root cause analysis, ensuring zero defect quality standards. As a lead engineer at Russell, Texas, I lead critical supplier quality initiatives from FAA approval to production release. I drive supplier readiness, enforce process compliance, and implement corrective actions that enhance efficiency and reduce risk across the supply chain. My journey includes key roles at Pratt & Whitney and Tata Lockheed Martin, where I manage complex aerospace supply chains, executed large-scale inspections, and consistently delivered high-precision results. I have been recognized for excellence with the Gold Achievement Award from Pratt & Whitney and honored as the Best Employer of the Year at Tata Lockheed Martin. Backed by Lean Six Sigma Green Belt certification, I leverage data-driven insights, SAP systems, and advanced analytics tools to optimize performance and drive continuous improvement. I don't just manage quality. I build resilient, high-performing supply chains. Let's create impact.